Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel AJ Digital World. Today I suggest one of the best questions and answering website. If you want to know about how you can earn money online from this website, watch the video till the end. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I provide full information on the tools and websites/apps in the form of a tutorial. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel, and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Quora? Quora is a forum for learning and sharing knowledge. It's a place where you can ask questions and get responses from people who have specific perspectives and answers. What exactly is a Quora account? Quora is a website where people can ask and answer questions. People from all over the world come to Quora to ask questions of a panel of experts. Google's company is to display web pages that provide answers to questions. Is Quora a safe platform? Quora is intended for teenagers aged 13 and up, but it can be used by children under the supervision of an adult. Even if Quora has moderators that delete offensive content, answers, and users, children may come across adult and mature content as well as negative viewpoints on a variety of topics such as religion, politics, and the environment. What is Quora's point of view? Quora is an intriguing platform that feels like a mix of a search engine and a social network, but its goal is to provide you with answers as well as encourage you to answer questions for others on topics you know about. Is Google the owner of Quora? Despite the fact that both Google and Quora are based in Mountain View, they are entirely different companies with different ownership. Quora is one of the websites that Google search finds and indexes because it is connected from other pages that have already been discovered. Is Quora a trustworthy source? If you're unfamiliar with Quora, it's a question and answer website similar to Yahoo Answers, where users can both ask and answer questions. Quora is only as trustworthy as the individual who answers your question, and your question is only as useful as the information you give. Is it possible to get a free Quora account? To use Quora, you must first sign up for an account. Then you can learn how to use the website's basic features. Don't worry, they make creating an account and navigating the website very easy. Plus, it's completely open. What is Quora's revenue model? Ad revenue is how Quora makes money. Quora, like many other websites, is compensated for impressions, or the amount of times a specific ad is used. Is Quora willing to pay for answers? Answers on Quora are not compensated. If you want Quora to assist you, start by answering questions about your area of interest and building a reputation. When you do that, industry experts begin to notice you. They begin approaching you with their ventures and ideas, at which point you will obviously charge a fee for your services. How can I make money from home on Quora? Here is a list of the best paying home-based online jobs in India for college students, housewives, and part-time workers. 1. Make money from your blog. Affiliate marketing is the second method. 3. Employ yourself as a freelancer. 4. Tutoring through the internet. 5. Use YouTube to make money. 6. Work as a content creator. 7. Take on the role of a virtual assistant. 8. Completing gigs on Fiverr. Upwork. Is Quora an app that you have to pay for? Readers and others who ask questions can use Quora for free. People who answer questions do so for free, and the service does not charge a fee to connect questions and answers. It's completely open. Is it possible to make money on Quora? In India, there are several ways to earn money online for free, including being a freelancer. Learn how to trade stocks on the stock market. Make a career as a consultant. How did I become a member of Quora? You must include your email address when creating a Quora account. Quora will then send you a confirmation email, which you must click on to confirm your account. Why do I need a Quora account? To see and share their money, you must first join the forum. Similarly, Quora's assets are its Q&A, and there is no need for them to disclose them publicly. That is why it needs you to register before you can use its Q&As. And that's all right. I hope you all are really like this site. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Press the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to share the video. Leave a comment what's your opinion about this site. Good luck.